Gmail's built-in templates feature, formerly canned responses, lets you save and reuse emails in seconds. Steps: enable templates, one-time setup. Open Gmail, gear icon, top right. See all settings. Advanced tab, find templates. Click enable, save changes. Create your first template. Click compose. Write your full email, subject plus, body plus, signature. Examples: client onboarding, invoice follow-up, meeting confirmation. At the bottom right, 3 dots, templates. Save draft as template, save as new template. Name it, for example, welcome email. Save. Use the template. Click compose. 3 dots, templates. Choose your save template. Gmail instantly fills subject plus body. Edit personal details. Send. Edit or delete templates. 3 dots, templates. Manage templates. Edit or trash any.